Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. The OnePlus 70 and the 70 Pro both will be announced in just 2 days, which is completely awesome. I remember it as yesterday I was making the OnePlus 7 Pro video, and today here we are just 2 days away from the OnePlus 70 launch.
This is crazy.
The back of the new smartphone is completely redesigned, and so is the box. With the upcoming OnePlus smartphones, OnePlus has now renewed the unboxing experience. The unboxing experience of any smartphone is one of the best moments of owning a smartphone, and now OnePlus has changed how we are first presented to our brand new OnePlus smartphone. The CEO of OnePlus today posted a box of the OnePlus 70, and I have to admit, this is the coolest looking OnePlus box in many years. This is the box of OnePlus 1, 2, 3. There wasn't a OnePlus 4 because OnePlus is apparently superstitious. I thought that shit only went in India. OnePlus 5, 5T, 6, 6T, 7, 7 Pro. Clearly this new box is different than before, it's better than before, it's also a bit longer than a usual OnePlus smartphone box, so hopefully we could get better unboxing experience with more in-box accessories, maybe perhaps a pair of earphones. This box says OnePlus 70 and top of it is a full essay. I'm not kidding, if you write as it is in exam, you will easily get 15 marks of it. This is the OnePlus 70, it's the culmination of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. They should have continued this paragraph with, strive for the very best, except for the headphone jack, or IP rating, or wireless charging, or expandable storage, or mediocre cameras. Hey, I'm definitely not complaining. It's the OnePlus 70, and as it is, it's a very good smartphone with respect to the price. But also, it's far from being the very best. This box of the OnePlus 70 is changed, so probably it's safe to assume that the 70 Pro will also be getting a newer box design. The interesting thing would be to find out that will they use the same script on the 70 Pro as well, or make it even bigger, maybe for 20 marks this time. The best thing OnePlus could do to make this unboxing experience better is to include some earphones. And I'm not talking about their expensive bullet wireless earphones, which will be awesome to have, but we are not asking for that. We would be happy with a decent pair of wired headphones, just like Samsung or Apple does. Your smartphones are, after all, getting up there in the price point, so it would be good to have a in-box earphones. If you guys want to see the specs comparison of the OnePlus 70 and the 70 Pro, you can check out one of my previous videos from over here or from the description of this video. Let me know your thoughts on the upcoming OnePlus smartphones. Are you planning on buying any of these smartphones or the OnePlus TV perhaps? Make sure to subscribe for more videos on OnePlus and other smartphones. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, and as always guys, thanks for watching.